I've noticed a few mistakes from the last video. The first one being after you make the climb, I noticed that the colliders, the spheres, are at a weird position. This is happening because when we're doing the ledge climb, we're temporarily turning off the BoxCollider. And when you try to reposition the spheres, when the BoxCollider is turned off, you get funny results. I'm gonna fix this by going into the toggle BoxCollider ability, the scriptable object. And I'm gonna create an option here. Reposition spheres. Separated from the other variables. And as we're turning on or off the BoxCollider, if reposition spheres is turned on, then we call the functions reposition front spheres and we reposition bottom spheres. So if I go back and I'm gonna go to the state, the animator, and this is where we're turning back on the BoxCollider, and when we turn it on we reposition the spheres. So now if I click play, so after making the climb, we reposition the sphere so they're in the right position now. And then I've also noticed some minor things. If I go into character control, since we have the new code for setting up the spheres, we no longer need this create middle spheres, that's old code. Create edge sphere, that's also old code that we're not using. And if I press Ctrl T and go into the jump script, there was something weird. We already have character control here. There's no need to get it again, so just use the variable that we have. Same thing here. We already have character control. Okay. And if I press Ctrl T again and go to the animator animation progress, there was a little typo there. Target size. We should have some error messages. Okay, so just correct those. Save, and things should be fine. Okay, so now if I click play, everything should be pretty much the same, and we've fixed the minor issues and everything seems to be working fine. Okay, so that'll be for this video. Thanks for watching.